Managing short-term rentals means staying connected with your guests at all times. That's why we created the Into mobile app, giving you the tools you need to manage communication and access key details wherever you are. Getting started is simple. Log in with your email and verify with an OTP, and your inbox is ready to go. With the Into mobile app, you can view and respond to all guest messages instantly. You never miss an update. And to make communication even easier, you have all the Into AI features. Copilot helps you craft quick, personalized responses, while Autopilot suggests proactive replies to keep the conversation moving. Summarize condenses long threads, giving you a clear overview in seconds. And it doesn't stop at messaging. From within any chat, you can access listing details, property information, guest details, and reservation data, all in one place. This means less switching between systems and more time focusing on your guests. The result is faster replies, happier guests, all from your phone. Download it today and give your guests the fast, seamless experience they expect, wherever you are.